So the next thing I would like to introduce us to is the word counter, which is available also on Quillbot. If you want to see the word count, it includes both words and characters. Okay, it can give you the count. You either want to include spaces or you don't want to include spaces. It's going to enable you to know how much words or how much character do you have, including or excluding spaces. So let's say we have a piece of text. I can copy this text, for example, and then I can come over here. This is the word counter. I can just paste it, and with just mere pasting, you'll be able to see how much of words I have here. So you can see right now I have 129 words, 37 characters, including spaces. And if you don't want to include spaces, you can just disable this. And you can see the character count is now 611, okay, and 129 words. So depending on your own choice, if you want to include or you don't want to include, you can just go ahead and do that. So whatever, this can be extremely helpful, because when you look at who are the people that need to find out the word counter, maybe people like students or writers or professionals or students, educators and researchers. Maybe you are writing a paper that suggests that you should limit your word count to 2,000 words or to 3,000 words. By mere copying and pasting all of your content, you'll be able to know directly how many words you have reached and how much do you need to write more, or how much less do you need to rewrite your content to suit that particular requirement. So it's available. It's best for even bloggers, people who write blogs for people in freelance setting. So you can be asked to write a blog of 2,000 words, and you can just use this word counter to be able to guide you to be able to write effectively and according to the standard. So if you're a researcher, some journals also equally have it. Yeah, so they have that as part of their requirement. So you just make sure you learn how to use it. It's very easy and it's completely free. So everything here is available, and so you can just go ahead and try the word count. Once you finish the word counting, if you like, you can edit also from here, be able to reduce the characters. So the characters and the words. So as you are editing, you'll be able to see the word count either increasing or decreasing accordingly until you reach your perfection, or until you reach the exact requirement that you are targeting. And once you get to that amount, you can just go ahead and copy this and move it to wherever you want. But for now, this is just a bit about how to use the word counter. You can get to it through this website. Okay, you can just go /word counter from quillbot.com. You can get here. You'll be able to just go ahead and paste it. And if you want to add more, or you want to bring in more, you can go ahead and if you want to bring in another different text, you can go ahead and copy from somewhere again, and just come back and paste it again, and you could see the word count that you have, including these spaces. Or if you don't want to include, you can also disable that as well. Okay, so this is just a bit about the word counter feature in Quillbot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.